Timely dent repair plays a critical role in preserving a vehicle's visual appeal and financial value. Whether from accidents, hail, or minor impacts, dents can diminish a car's look and affect its resale potential. Prompt repairs are vital for maintaining the car's appearance and preventing costly damage like rust. Neglecting dents can give the impression of a poorly maintained vehicle, negatively impacting its resale value. The article outlines various repair methods. 1. Paintless Dent Repair (PDR) is a popular technique for fixing minor dents without affecting the car's original paint. 2. Traditional body shop repair is ideal for more severe damage, but is often more expensive and time-consuming. 3. DIY dent repair kits offer a solution for minor dents, but the outcome depends on the user's skill and adherence to instructions. Key recommendations include regular inspections for new dents, using protective measures like parking in safer spots, and promptly addressing dents to avoid rust and structural issues. The article also encourages reviewing insurance policies for dent repair coverage and considering DIY options for smaller dents. Acting swiftly on dent repairs maintains your vehicle's appearance, prevents further damage, and preserves its resale value, keeping it in excellent condition for years. If you need famous dent repair done, call Eric at 208-2515338. That's 208-2515338. Or send email at eric@therateofgemstatepdr.com.